Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you my travel tips and experiences. Today I'm going to talk about cruising, which is one of my favorite ways to travel. If you've never been on a cruise before, you might be wondering what to expect and how to prepare. Well, don't worry because I'm here to give you 5 tips that will help you have an amazing first cruise. Tip number 1, arrive at your departure port a day ahead of schedule. This will help you avoid missing your ship due to flight delays or traffic jams. You can also enjoy some sightseeing in the port city before you board. For example, when I went on a cruise from Miami, I arrived a day early and visited the famous South Beach and the Art Deco district. It was a great way to start my vacation. Tip number 2, pack your bathing suit in your carry-on. You may not get your luggage delivered to your room until later in the day, so having your swimwear handy will let you enjoy the pool or the hot tub as soon as you get on board. Trust me, nothing beats relaxing in the water while watching the ship sail away from the port. You can also pack some sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. Tip number 3, don't worry about cash on board. Everything is paid through your room key. Your room key is linked to your shipboard account and you can use it to charge anything you buy on the ship, such as drinks, souvenirs, or spa treatments. You only need cash when you're off the ship in port. You can also set a daily spending limit on your account to avoid overspending. Tip number 4, book your shore excursions in advance. Shore excursions are optional tours or activities that you can do when the ship docks at different destinations. They can range from sightseeing to snorkeling to ziplining and more. Booking them in advance will ensure you get a spot and avoid disappointment. You can book them through the cruise line or through independent operators online. I recommend doing some research on the best shore excursions for each port before you book them. Tip number 5, balcony rooms are worth it if you want more space and privacy. Balcony rooms are more expensive than interior cabins, but they offer some benefits that may make them worth the splurge. You can enjoy fresh air and stunning views from your own balcony, relax in your room without feeling claustrophobic, and have a romantic breakfast or dinner on your balcony. I always book a balcony room when I cruise because it makes me feel like I'm in a luxury hotel. So those are my 5 tips for first-time cruise ship travelers. I hope you found them helpful and that you have a wonderful time on your cruise. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!